Go ahead, please.
So, let's say I have a bread mix that's non-wheat, it's non-gluten, but it doesn't contain any of the 5 grains, and I eat more than 1 ounce of it, but it's intended to replace it. Do I have to say the blessing over bread for that, or no?
No, I'm sorry. Non-gluten. It means what is it? Like from rice or something?
Almond flour,
With
or coconut, or let's say.
oh, coconut. Yeah. Okay, so it's not bread. So definition of the bread is only from 5 species of bread. 5 species. That's it. So all others like from coconut flour, as you said, or some do from almonds flour. I don't know what. All this from rice flour. It's not considered a bread. So you say shechakol. Or from yesterday we had this question about corn flour. It's not bread. It's halachically, I mean, it looks like bread. So you're right. When we look, it is a bread, and you use it, as you said. You said it correctly, as for satiation, looks like bread. But since like inside the flour is not from one of the mezonot species, so you just say shechakol on this. It's not bread. Halachically, it's not bread, even though it looks like bread. It's a good question.
Okay, that answers my question. Thanks.
Okay, very good.